I just say that I was literally listening?
Hey guys, it's me, Jazzy, and I'm here with my friend.
It's Casey's birthday.
It's Casey's birthday. This is Casey.
Should we sing?
No.
We don't have. Wait, do you have the cake? We'll do that.
Oh,
This cake in the fridge.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do it. That's Jersey, and this is Nancy. You guys know everybody by now. Okay, I want to show them the. I want to show them the scrimp. Scrimp with its head. Okay. Wait, no, this one. Okay, so this is a scrimp, and I've never ate a scrimp like this before. But look, it has like thingies. Really eat it. Y'all already know I'm allergic to this stuff, but do I care? No. Never have.
Do you think you're gonna react since you didn't take anything before? Honestly, she don't.
Honestly, not really care.
Dang, maybe you should have took a Benadryl.
Dang, then I really would have knocked out. I don't want to.
Our
Alright.
party is still going, Casey. It's been going on since like 9 o'clock.
Right, Nancy doesn't care. When I go to her house and I eat all the ceviche, she knows what's up. Alright.
I only let her that. Peanut butter, you can't.
Yeah, people are all right. Is that what you eat? You made it, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna eat the hand. That scrimp tastes good.
I thought she was gonna say it was nasty.
I love scrimp. A plus for the scrimp.
We love scrimp.
We love the scrimp.
Jersey, you know how to do this?
No, I was waiting. I was literally watching them this whole entire time to see
I don't know how to
they
do
do
this.
So
Like
like something like that.
A
Sometimes it's like really easy to pop out.
lot of the times it's not.
Yeah, I think
This is what I usually do.
my mom usually puts this on it. Like
Look, this is usually what I do. I make it so that you can just poke it through the sides.
wow, that looks fun.
Mm.
How do you get it out?
yeah, how did you do that?
I just gave it to Soria. Let me give my.
How far did you cut it?
Like halfway. I went pretty far.
So you're gonna tear this off. You're gonna cut this side.
Look, you need to watch the tutorial now.
And then you're gonna go on
This
the
is like
side.
an art project. Arts and crabs in this week.
You're gonna cut the side. Yeah.
Arts and crabs.
You're gonna cut the
Arts
side.
and crabs. Scam likely, not now.
Jazz, you really get it all out, like with the fork, huh?
Mhm.
Crabs.
Guys,
Crabs. I got it.
something great. You.
Like that.
Mhm.
Hey.
There you go. So Casey, tell us about your day. How was your day today?
How was your day? What did you like and what did you not like?
How's your day? Tell us
Like-
about your day.
It was pretty great.
I think you had a birthday party all day.
Yeah. I just really hate the compliments.
You hate the compliments?
I
Yeah.
feel like I
Happy
know what to
birthday.
say back because I feel like I never know what to say back.
Have you guys seen that post like, oh, you don't know what to say? What? Like, oh, you're so pretty. It's like, happy birthday.
Yeah.
Sometimes you just gotta say thank you and smile.
Well, I always say that.
Yeah. And that's all you gotta say. And then you keep it moving. Because sometimes they're lying. I'm just kidding.
No, yeah. What if sometimes
I
you're just
just-
saying, oh my god, you look so pretty just because it's your birthday and like, yeah.
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 That happens. Jazzy, so you took out this whole thing?
Well, there's still some in there. I think.
Right.
Yeah, you gotta break. Yes, you gotta get into every nick and cranny. Okay, look. Hey, this is the claw, sis. And I'm out here.
Yeah, you're really biting into that claw. Look at her.
Cause it's me in this hole.
I'm convinced Jazzy's like a professional now.
I'm a mermaid.
You think they eat crab?
Mermaids?
Yeah.
Mermaids are not real.
Okay, well,
Mermaids are real.
Bye.
Nancy, you better tell her.
Mermaids are real.
no, they're
Mermaids are real.
And aliens.
And
And
aliens.
unicorns.
Period.
Unicorns.
I said unicorn. Unicorns.
Unicorn.
McDonald's.
Period.
Look, a little song.
Hold on. Look at how I just got this out there.
Yeah, my mom never takes us to like Las Islas Maria or any of that crap she always makes a year.
I never gone there either.
I mean, if you could make it, might as well. This shit is expensive as fuck. Yeah, she said one shirt is like $100. How much you pay for yours, Jazzy? Like 50? You said?
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, me. It's Jazzy me, and today we're smelling the bath bomb.
Yes, we're smelling our bath bombs. My bath bombs that I got for my birthday. He wanted to show you guys. What do you think it smells like? Oh my gosh, it smells
And now
so
guys, we're gonna
good.
smell this one. Let's see.
Okay, you have to show them. Show them what it looks
Look,
like.
Smell the bath bomb. Is it?
Smell it?
I'm not scared anymore.
You're not scared? That one smells so good. Here, try this one.
Okay.
What do you think that one smells like?
It smells like conditioner.
Condition. You wanna? Yeah, I can say that smells like clean laundry.
So we're going to
What do you think on this one?
Like conditioner.
Like conditioner.
You always do that this time because I love it. I love it. Oh guys, so this is my other girlfriend. Her name is Jamila.
Oh, period. That's his other girlfriend.
Hey guys.
Guys.
So bye guys. See you later. No.
That was our
No, that was not our video, guys.
Oh.
We're gonna. You want to see the video here? The Saya and get on the bed. How we turn this, Jazzy?
He took my channel.
It's my channel. It's gonna be my channel,
It's gonna
Jazzy.
be your channel.
So guys,
How did you prank her? Put it right here.
I forgot.
How did you prank Jamila? He pranked Jamila. I heard.
Yeah. So Jamila pranked me first.
No,
Yes, she did. I closed the door and she said, "You're stuck." And she's just kidding. She just picked me.
Oh, this guy
Period.
has PTSD from he got locked in his bathroom or something, and the firefighters had to come get him out, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you told him. So I told him to close the door, and he was like, "Is it gonna open again?" And then I was like, "No." And then he was like, "Oh, what the hell?" And then I was like, "Oh, sorry, it is gonna open."
She got that Jamila.
Okay, let's tell him what you did.
So guys,
So how did you prank her?
so I'm gonna tell you this. I seen it on this computer.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go spell it. I'm gonna go.
How did he prank you? So you want to hear the real story? Yeah.
Yes.
So this man goes on YouTube. He goes look up Cayenne. So I'm like, I start spelling out his name.
And then it was on me, so I pinked her.
He was like, "Oh, I got a YouTube channel," and I was like, "All right, let's go see his YouTube channel, right?" I'm like, "This ain't you, dude. Like, you really got a YouTube channel?" And he was like, "It's a prank. Got you." Wow, you got her.
No, she got me first.
Yeah, that's
Right into the floss.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
It's me, Jazzy, and today, Cayenne, and today we're making a slime challenge.
Period. Okay, so Cayenne's been asking me to do slime.
Yeah.
So I looked up the easiest thing I could, and yeah.
Hold on, guys. So let's take my bag. See, guys.
Okay, do you want to pour this in?
Yeah, all of it.
Yeah, all of it. Yeah, so we're starting off with
Guys.
glue. Guys, honestly, I don't know what exactly I'm doing. I'm really guesstimating here.
now we're gonna put water.
Yeah, now we're gonna put some water.
A little bit.
Yeah, or yeah, there you go.
And now I'm gonna mix it, guys.
Careful, careful, careful. I think we put a lot of water.
Not that bad.
Here, let me do it.
I'm gonna put this. What's this?
That's contact solution. I think this is a lot of water. I think we messed it up.
Oh no, 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 no.
Yeah,
We messed it up.
we might have messed it up.
So slimy. It's so slimy.
It's really slimy.
Guys.
So guys, our stuff failed. Sadly, it's not working. No, so give the video a what?
Thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up for us trying, right? And comment down below if me and Kind should start a channel. All right, bye guys.
It's not fun.
Oh. We're doing ASMR.
What the heck is this? That's you, Jazzy.
Yeah, that's me when I was little. That's back in 2016. Don't judge me.
Wait, on Instagram, this is my girlfriend. And then now we're gonna look at Facebook. And we're gonna
Cayenne, you're being too loud.
Not bad.
Okay.
Look so little.
I look little.
Guys, look at them. This is your graduation. There.